Symbolic inversion of the magnetic field, the 4 points and the shift of consciousness. The 4 points representing the head, the cross, and other symbols are expressed with words that in coded language refer to the head. This signifies a shift of consciousness, the invention of the globe, and the false inclination of 11 degrees, which numerically represents separation. This inclination reflects the change of the magnetic pole, what compasses indicate, shifting from magnetic south to north. This phenomenon carries a deep symbolic meaning. The power of people symbolically passes above God Satan, forward. The degenerative project of God Satan passes beneath the person, behind. The person acquires a falsified reality and false knowledge, and the brain becomes the center of the mental process. The concept of power exchange. The principle of power exchange implies that the energy of people directed toward God Satan is stolen from them, making them subjugated. This concept is applied in the world through a 180-degree turn, whose symbolic value is 180 degrees, 666. This also refers to the inversion of the magnetic field, which does not come from the earth but from above, through a mirror. The firmament is not the sky. It is a magnetic reflector, a barrier that reflects frequencies. Satellites do not exist, since all frequencies are reflected back to Earth. Contrary to what science teaches, there is no molten metallic core generating magnetism. This transformation is analogous to the Aramaic aleph. With its horns pointing upward, Phoenician aleph, it represents the original force. Rotated 180 degrees, it becomes the letter A, with horns downward. This inversion joins with the letter Dalet, forming the name El. The meaning of Elohim. The term Elohim means generative force of the people. After the grip of God Satan, this force becomes degenerative, a power he acquires by exercising his control. Geographical reference is also coded. The shift of consciousness corresponds to the power of nations. The northwest indicates greater power compared to the southeast. In the Bible, this project is symbolically represented by the head, above and below, right and left. Power follows a movement that passes above God Satan, from south to north and from east to west. By contrast, the degenerative project moves east and south, symbolically pointing to people. This shift is represented in several ways in the Bible. For example, when Jacob blesses Manasseh by crossing his arms, with his right hand he blesses Ephraim, and with his left hand Manasseh, showing the meaning of the change in birthright.